Hello and welcome to a lesson about present value of an ordinary annuity. In this lesson, we'll find the present value of an annuity, which is the present value of a series of periodic payments. There are two ways to think of the present value of an annuity. Either an investment that grows to meet a need at some future date, or an investment that decreases to zero as a series of payments taken out of the account. For example, assume you need $50,000 at a specific date in the future. You can achieve this goal either by making periodic payments into an account for several years, and you're hoping your account has a high rate, interest rate, or depositing a lump sum into an account and letting the funds grow, and you hope that the account again has some high interest. And so this lump sum is the present value. So the lump sum that you're going to deposit in the account and let it grow is the present value. And so let's see an example and see how we find the present value. This is the table that we need. So find the present value of an annuity, round to the nearest cent. So we assume that if the payment we need is $59 made quarterly for 5 years at 8% compounded quarterly. So if that's the case, we know that present value is equal to the payment, which is 59, times the number from the present value of an annuity from the table. Okay, so the interest is 8%. So since it's compounded quarterly, so I divide it by 4 times a year. 8%, this is 8% divided by 4, we get 2% per quarter. So the payment of $59 is made per quarter for 5 years, or how many payments or how many periods is 5 times 4. We have 20 payments. 5 times 4 for 5 years, 4 for every year is 20 payments. So we go back to the table and we look 2% for the interest, and we go all the way to 20 periods. So the number we're looking for is 16.35143. So here is the number we found from the table. Now the present value is $59 times this number from the table. We end up with $964.73. So a deposit of $964.73 today will make 20 payments or 20 end of quarter payment of $59 each. I hope this was helpful.